Now we're gonna try to find the limit of the following sequence. Un is 2 to the power n plus minus 2 to the power n over 3 to the power n. So here we see that if we try to find some terms of the series of the sequence, so u1 is gonna be 2 to the power 1 plus minus 2 to the power 1 over 3 to the power 1. So it's gonna be 0 over 3, which is 0. Okay, u2, it's gonna be 2 to the power 2 plus minus 2 to the power 2 over 3 to the power 2. So it's gonna be 4 plus 4 over 9, which is 8 over 9. Okay, if we do u3, so we're gonna have 2 to the power 3 plus minus 2 to the power 3 over 3 to the power 3. Here we see that 2 to the power 3 plus minus 2 to the power 3, which is minus 8, is gonna give us 0. Okay, so we see what we are going. So we have to study the parity of the sequence. So if we have u2n, we're gonna have 2 to the power 2n plus minus 2 to the power 2n over 3 to the power 2n. Okay, we're gonna have 2 to the power 2n plus 2 to the power 2n over 3 to the power 2n, which will give us 2 times 2 to the power 2n over 3 to the power 2n. If we study the odd numbers, we're gonna have 2 to the power 2n plus 1 plus minus 2 to the power 2n plus 1 over 3 to the power 2n plus 1. And we see here that clearly we're gonna have 2 to the power 2n plus 1 minus 2 to the power 2n plus 1 over 3 to the power 2n plus 1, which is 0. Okay, so here clearly we see that this sequence is having 0 everywhere for the odd numbers. Okay, so when we study the limit, we're not gonna worry about the odd numbers. So let's find the limit of u to n. So it's this formula here. So we need to find the limit of 2 times 2 to the power 2n over 3 to the power 2n. And clearly we see here that you can take these two outside, and you're gonna do 2 over 3 to the power, we can do the 2 here, and we can do to the power n. Okay, so you're gonna have 4 over 9 to the power n as n goes to 0. This will give us 0. Okay, this is less than 1. Okay, so as we keep increasing, it's gonna be smaller and smaller until we get 0. Okay, so since this one is the same as the limit of u to n plus 1, because they are 0, okay, so our sequence un has the limit 0 as n goes to infinity. Okay, these two, they need to be equal. The odd terms and the even terms, they have to have the same limit to conclude that we have this limit. Therefore, here our sequence has the 0 as limit when n goes to infinity.